I am for investments, not too much for business. You understand my point? Like, there is a job, then there is business, and there is investing. Because in life, you have 3 stages, right? Stage one, you work for the money. And you can work your heart out. Just working for the money. Unit of time, unit of pay, salary, bonus, whatever. Number 2, as you elevate your life, you work the money. Because here you got to do 2 things. You got to do some savings, but Cherif, I only make so much. Imagine you're making less. And you build credit. Those are the 2 things you do. Now you're going to have some saving and you have some credit. And if you know the syndication world and all this, and now you can scale, now you're going to work the money. Money comes, you're going to go find the properties, you're going to be working hard because you're going to be a syndicator, co-syndicator. Okay? I like working the money. Go get the properties, do this, do that, and then you're going to reach a point you're going to say, oh my gosh, it's too much. I need to get some people with me. And as soon as you get people, now you have big structure, and now you go to the 3rd stage of life. The money works for you. And when money works for you, you're able to step back and think. Have you ever actually took time to think? When you have a lot of debt and payments, you don't have time to think.